Happy week of November 2nd. So things are going to look a little bit different for you guys this week. Um, Last week, well, the previous 2 weeks, you guys have had these cohort folders, and it's really been messing up my grade book. So while you still have your folders specific to your cohort that are going to house your agenda or anything specific to just your cohort, your weekly folders are just going to be popped back into this just Plan B Quarter 2 folder. So for the week of November 2nd, we have a couple of different assignments. So your article of the week is already loaded in here for you guys. Additionally, you do have an IXL lesson this week on author's purpose and tone. It is just the first lesson. So if you go into your IXL, it should have already been suggested to you as long as you're connected to my class, okay? So you're only doing that first one. You have to practice for a minimum of 20 minutes with a score of 80% or better. Once you've achieved it, you should submit a screenshot. Remember to crop that down so that it doesn't take forever to download. So when you are at school this week, so my distance learners, you guys complete these assignments just following your distance learners agenda. But for my cohort 1 and 2 kids, please make sure you pay attention to whether or not it's your in-class activity or your remote activity, okay? And both of these activities are due Wednesday evening at midnight because we're completing them Monday and Tuesday, okay? That goes for distance learners as well. So then on 11.5 and 11.6, again, depending on if you are a distance learner or not, this is obviously going to be, I think, 11.5 on your agenda. For my cohort 1 kids, it's going to be 11.6, I think, on your agenda. You'll click on it, and it says, view this PowerPoint PDF that's loaded right here. And when you open it up, you're going to take the quiz that's loaded in there. So you're going to view this PowerPoint. It's going to go over the elements of a drama with you. Specifically, we're focusing on things like the elements of the drama and dramatic speech, stage directions, and things. So you're going to use this PowerPoint right here to take this elements of drama quiz. This quiz will be open on Thursday and it closes on Friday. It is your remote activity. For whichever day you're at home, cohorts 1 and 2. Distance learners, I think this is your Thursday assignment. Now, on Friday, for my distance learners, I think it's on Friday maybe, we are going to start reading A Christmas Carol. So cohort 1 will be reading A Christmas Carol on Thursday. Cohort 2, you guys will be reading it on Friday. And the PDF is loaded in here. Please keep an eye out for a worksheet that'll be coming next week. So the week of November 8th, I think, you have like a little review worksheet that goes with this, okay? So distance learners, you'll be looking for that. My cohort learners, that'll be in your folder as well, okay? And then this one thing right here is the last thing I'm going to talk about. It's the November Book of the Month accountability worksheet. And it looks like, well, hang on. Looks like this. And essentially, you guys will notice on your agenda that each week I have put in a thing that says complete Book of the Month assignment or something along those lines. So next Friday, you need to be able to answer this question, so essentially, what book did you choose? How many pages are in the book? And then why did you choose this book? That next week on Friday, you're going to answer this question. Is it a good book so far? Why or why not? How many of the pages is 1/4 read? And what page are you on? Week 3, why does this book fit its specific genre? So you'll have to think about what genre it is. And then week 4, what do you think is the book's theme or the author's message? You will still have your final reflection form that you guys have been completing that looks like this. Maybe. That looks like this. But this weekly accountability form is what you're going to be doing every Friday now to make sure that we do, in fact, have a book of the month, that we're reading it, and that we're on task.